Preparing energon battery.
Preparing satellites to transmit our message.
And now, no one could stop us, not even XJ9. What was that? Autobot intruders! Get 'em! Team, get to the bridge. We have to self-destruct the ship. I will slice you all like ice cubes. With honor. Yes, that's the spirit, Dinobot. Don't give up. Our team's doing their job, and we have to do ours. There they are. They're out to that tower. They're gonna try to transmit the message. Alright, what's the plan? Okay, first of all, you, then Tom, Tuck, stay right here. But Aunt Jenny, we want to help. No, I can't. You already did your job. Did your job. Now let's do ours. Thank you for saving me. You're welcome, Aunt Jenny. Be careful. I got my new mask. Transmit the message. Shoot the tower. Ah, it's them again. And Bumblebee's alive? I thought Kickback destroyed him. You just fell into your sleeves, you idiot. NXJ9. I'll deal with her. Deal with the bug.
Handle him and finish the job this time.
This is where we sell the scores, Bumblebee. Ah, scrap. Whoa. That's close. Stay right here, Tuck. I think I know how to help. I gotta get up to that tower and disable that energon battery. That way they won't detect the signal. But how I'm gonna get up there? Oh. Phew. Okay. Well, XJ9. Meet my new Decepticon team. This is the part where you suffer. Attack! Today, Cyclonus. Time as a family. Who are they? More XJ units? We're the XJs 1 through 8. My eyes, my optics. You need to wash your mouth.